Hello, I'm Barbara Cox, course lead for Level 3 Engineering here at HSDC Alton. Welcome to Level 3 Engineering in our purpose-built Sonodyne Centre. Here you can study a full-time Level 3 course or a 1A level equivalent course alongside two other subjects. Both courses combine electrical, mechanical and electronic engineering together with maths and design aspects as a general part. Both courses also have a variety of assessment methods, from assignments to controlled assessments to a single exam. Students leave here to various destinations, to go to study at university, to do degree apprenticeships, or maybe straight into industry as a technician. We support our students here for the application of scholarships run by the college. We also support and allow our students to enter the World Skills competitions. We've had great success here at regional, national and international level, highlighted by Tom Andrews representing the UK in Russia, winning a Medallion of Excellence for his efforts. I also teach electronics in the department. Here we have the opportunity to not only learn the theory, but to learn the practical. Learn how to build, test and repair circuits. We learn how to program controllers, and we also learn how to use industry relevant and industry standard software to simulate and test the same circuit. Work experience gives an opportunity for our learners to get valuable experience and put all the skills they're learning in college to practice. The work placement scheme is part of the course, and our learners gain a great deal from this and thoroughly enjoy it. They also quite often get the opportunity and offers of employment and apprenticeships from those placements. So it's a really good scheme that we're involved with. In the department, we've got teachers with vast industry experience as well as our vast educational academic experience. I'll now say goodbye and pass you over to some of the teachers in the department, just so they can tell you about what they do here too. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in September.
Hi, I'm Steve Baldwin, one of the engineering teachers here at HSDC Alton campus. Whilst doing the Level 3 course in engineering, you will be completing various tasks on the manual lathes. You will also be introduced to the manual milling machine with various training and making various components, culminating in a combination of using both the CNC milling machines and the CNC lathe. Not only do we have a very comprehensive engineering machine shop where you'll produce various components throughout the year, we also have a very comprehensive welding bay with 3 types of electric welding here, with also a suite of gas welding and brazing benches, CNC plasma cutting facilities. Along with the welding bays and booths, we also have brazing, forging facilities, and not to mention our casting facilities as well, so we can cast aluminium and the brass alloys.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Buchanan. I'm one of the engineering teachers in Alton. We're going to be in the workshop doing a fabrication unit where you'll be making this toolbox, so you'll be using lots of practical skills. We also do another unit, Unit 2, which is working safely as a team, so you're going to be in a team, and what we're going to do there is we're going to manufacture a toolbox tray to go with your toolbox.
Hi, I'm Ruth and I teach the Engineering Principles unit. This unit covers the theoretical aspects of engineering and builds on some of the maths and physics that you will have learnt in school. Everyone studying a Level 3 engineering course will take this unit, which culminates in an exam at the end of your first year. We start off with some different areas of maths that you can use to apply to some real-world problems, like algebra, graph drawing and quadratic equations. Then we go on to look at forces and stress and strain, then at the mathematics of how things move, how we can use mechanical advantage to lift heavy loads, and how fluids behave and flow, before finally looking at electricity and magnetism and applications to electronics and phasors. The lessons are 2.5 hours long, with a break in the middle, and involve listening, thinking, and applying your skills to a series of engineering problems based on a different topic each week. You will be strongly encouraged to start thinking about problems from an engineering viewpoint so that you can properly understand what the problem is and how it can or should be resolved. This is an intense but very interesting unit to complete, and it will give you a grounding in engineering theory that will be beneficial to anyone who is interested in studying engineering at a higher level. I hope to see you next year. Thanks for listening.
Hello, my name's James Harding. I work at the IT department here at HSDC Alton, and I'm here to tell you about the new digital T-levels which we're going to be introducing in September. This is a 2-year course which will be split between core units that are taught in every digital T-level and more specialist units. The core units will cover areas like the business context in which digital products are designed for, the ethical issues raised by the growth of digital products, how organisations manage and use data, how to use digital resources to analyse and implement algorithms and spot patterns, the fundamentals of digital systems, how to remain aware of emerging trends and innovations, legal frameworks, planning, security, testing strategies, and typical digital tools. The specialist or occupational units will be focused on designing, implementing, testing, and supporting computer programming. There will be a selection of assignments, homework tasks, and revision exercises set to cover the unit contents. At the moment, it's too far away to discuss exactly how many hours of classwork time, but if it's comparable to an extended diploma, which is worth the same number of A-levels, then it will be 14 hours a week. This will consist of 4 2.5-hour lessons and 2 2-hour ones. This course is designed to lead to careers in programming, such as software development and software testing for systems, network administration, cybersecurity, game development, and many others. In order to get onto this course, you will need 5 GCSEs of grades 4 or above, including English and Maths. As I said, T-levels are assessed through a combination of core and specialist units, with each type of units taking up roughly about half the course. The core units are assessed through a 2-hour exam and an employer-set project. Specialist units are assessed through skills-related projects. Once you finish your T-level, you could go on to a higher apprenticeship. There's also a chance that the employer at your industry placement might be so impressed with you they want to take you on as an apprentice, through a higher apprenticeship or simply just offer you a job. As a T-level is recognised by UCAS and is worth the equivalent of roughly 3 A-levels, you could use it to get onto a degree. This would not only be for subjects directly related to computer science and IT, but also mathematics and electrical engineering. Thank you very much for your interest in the T-level, and we hope to see you in September.
Hello and welcome to the HSDC Alton Virtual Open Evening. My name is Andy Moss and I'm the course leader for the UAL Level 3 Extended Diploma in Digital Games Design and Development. I'm also the course leader for the Creative Media Production Extended Diploma, which is more centred around filmmaking and content creation. The Digital Games Design and Development course is launching at HSDC Alton in 2021 in response to the ever-growing demand from students who want to enter into this ever-growing and changing industry. The course will give students an insight into the industry and offer them a chance to create an experiment using industry-standard equipment. Students who have strong creative tendencies, a passion for video games, and have an interest in the technologies that deliver them to us will find that this subject is perfect for them. We will study the history of video games, from its humble beginnings to the current climate of esports and virtual reality. You will have opportunities to generate and develop ideas for characters, worlds, game mechanics and style, with the opportunity to specialise in an area that really interests you. Lesson time will be a mixture of lectures, classroom-based activities and workshop sessions with specific software. Assessment on the course is 100% coursework, no exams are involved, and it's assessed throughout the year in both the first and second year. In the first year, students study the Level 3 Diploma, which has formative units 1 to 7, which are pass or fail. The actual grade to the year is all based on a final major project at the end, where the students can achieve a distinction, a merit, or pass for their efforts based on a large-scale project of their choosing. The second year is very similar, where the formative units 9 to 12 are pass and fail, and then at the end, there is another opportunity to complete another final major project, which determines the grade. At the end of the 2 years, completing the extended diploma is worth the equivalent of 3 A-levels. Most universities will offer courses on games design and development, so this will be a clear option for those who graduate from this course. Apprenticeships and internships are available from most of the major companies, such as Electronic Arts, and can help ease you into becoming a video game developer. Employment straight out of college is an option, as by the end of the course you will have plenty of materials with which to be able to put together a portfolio for applications. The course itself has specific units that require students put plans in place for future careers and progression. We want to thank you for your time and for taking an interest in the course, and to wish you the best of luck with your exam results.
Hello, my name's James Harding. One of the courses which we're running here at the college is a Level 2 CTEC Diploma in IT. It's worth the equivalent of 4 GCSEs. You need a GCSE average of about 3 to get onto it. There will be units in graphic design, multimedia, doing business online, how organisations use IT, and basic units on employability skills and getting into the world of work. Some other courses that this qualification would go well with are things like business and sport. You need at least 1 GCSE with a grade of 4 to be able to get onto this course, and it's assessed through a combination of coursework exercises and homework activities. Thank you very much for your interest in this virtual open evening. We're looking forward to seeing you in September. Hello, my name is James Harding. I'm an IT teacher here at the college. One of the courses which we offer is the BTEC Extended Diploma. It is a course which has been taught at the college for quite some time now and includes units on graphic design, animation, multimedia, developing computer games, event-driven programming, procedural programming, networking, developing databases, and many more. It is assessed through 100% coursework. You need a GCSE average of about 4.5 in order to get onto this course. And it has many applications. We've had many people who've left this course and gone on to great things at university. People who've gone to become systems analysts, or people who've worked in business analysis. We've also had people who've gone to web development or graphic design and many other courses of that nature. The main point is that we developed a course which has had so many different choices on it that we can cover most aspects of IT. If you were to do this course, there would be approximately 14 hours a week in your timetable, because it is worth the equivalent of 3 A-levels. There will also be homework set as well. Thank you very much for your interest in this virtual open evening. We're looking forward to seeing you in September.